baby, you do better. I got plenty of hoes, call me, you have nothing. I like that when you do it right there, right there. Man, you're her. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kai, or Lashaii, whatever you want to say. Is back with another video. Alright, so this video is going to be me showing you how I straighten my hair after I wash and blow dry it. And me also listening to my playlist from YouTube. Basically what I mean by that is like, you know how YouTube has like an up next section, like it plays a song up next that it seems that you want to listen to. That's basically how I was doing it while I was doing my hair. But yeah, all I did was just straighten it, add a little oil at the end, and yeah. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. It will be here. It'll be somewhere. You know, I love when I can do this to my hair because, you know, alright.
The bitch on IG with you, with me now and big like Arby's. In the club, I'm strapped in the booth, my Glock on defense, it guard me. Pass the Sprite, I'ma pull me a dick. I'm
Juiced up. Ocean spray. I'm pulled up. Some more today. Got it. Oh! Did my shit.
Mama had no lane here.
Did my shit song. Did my song. They're about to make me fight though. They're really about to make me fight. Back it ain't great. I ain't never thing. Since I got money, I swear it ain't been the same. Diamonds on my chains. On top of the action, did you see me? Suited and booted and nigga one time to Miss Gucci. I'm a dude, baby, I swear that I'm ruthless. Y'all already know this is my shit. They rap for free, they gotta send me the budget. I can't be fucking me no wrong. I had a strip on a rap and die. I can't be money band. If you knew better, baby, you do better. I got plenty of hoes, call me, you have nothing. Shout out my neighbor, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4 chains. I just pulled up me a ace. Let me all in my face. 500 racks in my safe. 500 racks to the pool. What you know about showing love? 100 racks stuck in the back. 100 racks stuck in the attic. Dog. We up torn low. Me and my dog. 6 God block boy, 6 God block boy. Up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dog. That's what I bitch come through. You and you. All my pinky wet. Diamonds, these bitches wet. Fat knots, make a bit for some. Ass shots, make it in your car some. My sisters told me they just gave them like I'm trying to get 50K to his nothing, no I'm with the shit. I like to match up my gun with my fit. Shout out to Glizzy, no I got that Glizzy, got so many diamonds. Fuck it up, get it again. Fuck it up, get it again. Fuck it up, get it again. We fuck it up, get it again. Alright, so for the coconut oil, the top is broke, you see that. I just used the top of the comb and like press it down so it can come out. Pour it on top of the comb like so. Put it right there in the middle. Right there. I like that when you do it right there, right there. Man, you're her. So just kind of like, you know, just play with it, just get it all in here. Oh. She love when I sing to it. Down, 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 down. I do my thing, she love when I sing to her like a pop star. Let me lift.
Does he die? I made the decision. I am not God, but I'm rock hard. And I know some boys that be drumming on shit like they rock stars. Them niggas that hit the baby at the baby shower in the street at the cop cars. Goddamn, I do my thing. She like when I sing to her like a pop star. Does he live? Does he die? I made the decision. I am not God, but I'm rock hard. And I know some boys that be drumming on shit.
Made a shit, made a nigga zap out. Hit him up, made a nigga tap out. Nigga, I left color in these streets.